Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the fabulous beach bikini fashion choices of the stunning Monami Ghosh. Known for her elegance both on and off the screen, Monami brings her signature style to the sandy shores. So, let's soak up the sun and explore her beach bikini looks. Her beach bikini choices are a perfect blend of chic and trendy. She's often spotted in vibrant prints, bold colors, and flattering cuts that accentuate her curves and exude confidence. From classic two-pieces to stylish one-shoulder designs, she effortlessly nails beachside fashion. She completes her beach look with oversized sunglasses, stylish hats, and statement beach bags that add a touch of glamour to her seaside ensemble. Monami keeps her beach beauty routine simple and natural. With sun-kissed skin, minimal makeup, and tousled beach waves, she radiates effortless beauty that's perfect for a day in the sun. Her beach bikini choices are a testament to her ability to effortlessly blend fashion with comfort. Whether she's donning a classic string bikini or a trendy high-waisted two-piece, she always manages to strike the perfect balance between style and functionality. She's not afraid to experiment with bold prints, vibrant colors, and unique cuts, making each of her beach looks a statement piece in its own right. Whether she's channeling retro vibes with a high-cut bikini bottom or embracing the boho chic trend with a crochet bikini top, Monami's beach wardrobe is as diverse as it is stylish. Accessories play a key role in elevating her beach looks to the next level. From oversized sun hats that provide both style and sun protection to stylish cover-ups that seamlessly transition from the beach to the boardwalk, she knows how to accessorize with flair. The beauty always completes her beach ensemble with a chic pair of shades that adds the perfect finishing touch to her look. Beauty is another aspect where Monami shines. She keeps her beach beauty routine simple yet effective, with glowing skin, minimal makeup, and beachy waves that effortlessly frame her face. Her natural beauty enhances the allure of her beach looks, proving that confidence is the best accessory one can wear. Her beach bikini fashion choices are a celebration of style, confidence, and individuality. With her fearless approach to fashion and her ability to embrace trends while staying true to her unique sense of style, she continues to inspire beachgoers around the world to express themselves through their beach attire. Monami Ghosh's beach fashion choices are a delightful fusion of style, comfort, and versatility. Whether she's lounging under the sun or taking a refreshing dip in the ocean, she effortlessly captivates with her impeccable sense of fashion. What sets Monami apart is her ability to curate beach looks that are both on trend and timeless. From classic black bikinis that exude sophistication to playful patterns and vibrant hues that showcase her adventurous side, she embraces a diverse range of styles while staying true to her personal aesthetic. Her beach wardrobe is a testament to her confidence and individuality. She effortlessly combines practicality with style by accessorizing with oversized hats for sun protection, trendy sunglasses for a touch of glamour, and delicate body chains or anklets for a hint of bohemian charm. Each accessory adds a layer of personality and flair to her beach ensemble. She embraces a natural and radiant aesthetic. With sun-kissed skin, minimal makeup, and tousled beach waves, she embodies the epitome of beach beauty. Monami's effortless beauty routine allows her to shine with a luminous glow, perfectly complementing her beach attire. Her fashion choices reflect a dynamic fusion of sophistication, trendiness, and versatility. From glamorous red carpet appearances to casual street-style moments, she effortlessly exudes confidence and charm in every outfit she wears. On the red carpet, the beauty captivates with her elegant and refined style. She's often seen in figure-flattering gowns adorned with intricate details and embellishments, showcasing her innate sense of glamour. Whether she opts for classic silhouettes or daring cuts, she always commands attention with her impeccable presence. Her street style is equally noteworthy. She effortlessly blends comfort with fashion, often spotted in effortlessly chic ensembles that exude laid-back elegance. From trendy denim outfits to flowy dresses paired with sneakers, she proves that style knows no bounds. She's often seen accessorizing with statement jewelry pieces, stylish handbags, and trendy sunglasses that add a touch of personality and flair to her outfits. Each accessory is carefully chosen to complement her ensemble and enhance her overall look. Her fashion journey is a mesmerizing tapestry of elegance, versatility, and bold experimentation. From high-profile events to casual outings, she effortlessly navigates through different styles, leaving a lasting impression with her impeccable fashion sense. The beauty commands attention with her poised and sophisticated presence. She's often seen donning exquisite designer gowns adorned with intricate detailing and luxurious fabrics, showcasing her innate sense of glamour. Whether she opts for classic silhouettes or contemporary cuts, she always radiates confidence and grace. Her street style is a delightful blend of comfort and chuckness. She effortlessly combines laid-back pieces with stylish accents, creating effortlessly cool ensembles that exude effortless charm. From oversized sweaters paired with tailored pants to playful jumpsuits accessorized with statement belts, her street style reflects her eclectic taste and fashion-forward sensibility. She's accessorizing with bold statement jewelry, sleek handbags, or trendy footwear. Each accessory is carefully chosen to elevate her outfit and make a statement. Her attention to detail is evident in every aspect of her ensemble, showcasing her impeccable eye for style. Her fashion evolution is a captivating narrative of versatility, elegance, and fearless experimentation. From glamorous red carpet appearances to laid-back street-style moments, she effortlessly embodies a range of styles, always exuding confidence and sophistication. The beauty captivates with her timeless elegance and refined glamour. She's often seen in breathtaking designer creations that showcase her impeccable taste and attention to detail. Whether she opts for ethereal gowns with delicate embellishments or sleek, modern silhouettes, she commands attention with her effortless grace and poise. Her street style is a delightful reflection of her laid-back yet chic aesthetic. She effortlessly combines casual staples with statement pieces, creating effortlessly cool ensembles that exude urban sophistication. From oversized blazers paired with distressed denim to playful jumpsuits accessorized with bold accessories, her street style is a true embodiment of modern elegance. Whether she's layering delicate jewelry for a touch of femininity or adding bold statement pieces to make a statement, her accessory choices always add an extra layer of personality and flair to her outfits. Her keen eye for detail and ability to accessorize with confidence are truly inspiring. Monami exudes timeless glamour and sophistication. She's often seen in meticulously crafted couture gowns that showcase her statuesque figure and refined aesthetic. Whether she opts for intricate embellishments, sleek silhouettes, or bold colors, she radiates confidence and grace with every step she takes. Her street style is a delightful fusion of comfort and chutness. She effortlessly combines relaxed separates with statement pieces, creating effortlessly stylish ensembles that exude urban sophistication. From tailored blazers paired with distressed denim to flowy dresses accessorized with edgy boots, her street style reflects her eclectic taste and fashion-forward sensibility. Her fashion journey is a captivating odyssey through the realms of elegance, sophistication, and individuality. With each ensemble she dons, she paints a picture of timeless grace and contemporary allure. Whether gracing the red carpet or sauntering down the streets, the beauty effortlessly embodies the epitome of style, captivating hearts and minds with her impeccable taste and fashion-forward sensibility. Her red carpet appearances are a sight to behold, where she effortlessly commands attention in couture gowns adorned with intricate embellishments and chic silhouettes that accentuate her statuesque figure. Off the red carpet, her street style is a delightful fusion of comfort and chutness, where she effortlessly blends relaxed separates with statement pieces to create ensembles that exude urban sophistication. Her ability to accessorize with flair further elevates her looks, as she expertly layers delicate jewelry, adds bold accessories, and selects the perfect handbag to complete her outfit. Her fashion choices are a celebration of confidence, creativity, and unapologetic self-expression. With each outfit, she not only showcases her impeccable style but also encourages others to embrace their unique identities and express themselves authentically. Her fashion journey is a testament to the transformative power of style and the boundless possibilities of personal expression, leaving an indelible mark on the fabric of fashion history. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.